Hello and welcome to the video. If this is your first time here, my name is Mike. If you've been here before, my name is still Mike, but you would have known that already. In late summer of last year, I stumbled upon the idea of embarking on a church tour through Lamont County. With Easter weekend upon us, we decided to undertake this journey and share it with you. While we won't showcase the entire drive, we'll highlight each church and provide a map to their locations. Keep in mind that this is a self-guided tour, so access to the churches may vary. But sit back, relax, and enjoy the architectural and historical wonders of the Lamont County churches. Our pilgrimage begins in Bruderheim at the corner of 50th Avenue and 50th Street, where we find Bethlehem Lutheran Church. From its humble beginnings in a log and sod home to its present-day grandeur, this church has stood as a beacon of faith since 1898. Next, we travel to the Bruderheim Moravian Church, a testament to resilience and community spirit. The congregation was established in 1895, and this building was constructed in 1896. In 1995, the new church building was dedicated. We tried for quite a while to find church number 3 on the official tour guide, but were unable to. I did some research once I got home and discovered that the church was closed on August 23, 2008, and near as I can tell, it has been demolished. Just a short distance away, we find the St. Demetrius Ukrainian Orthodox Church. Originally a Catholic parish, it transitioned to Orthodox in 1920s. Its intimate beauty lies in its simplicity and traditional Ukrainian artwork. Continuing our journey, we arrive at the exaltation of the Holy Cross Ukrainian Catholic Church. Despite facing destruction by fire in the 1940s, it rose from the ashes to become a symbol of resilience and faith. It was at this point I started having technical issues with my drone, so no more drone footage for the rest of this tour. Our next stop is the Holy Ascension Russo-Greek Orthodox Church. Dating back to the late 1800s, its Byzantine architecture and breathtaking interior make it a must-visit destination for history enthusiasts. Further along the road, we encounter the Nativity of the Mother of God Ukrainian Catholic Church. Its Byzantine-style architecture and intricate interior serve as a testament to the enduring faith of its congregation. Continuing on our journey, we come across the presentation of the Blessed Virgin Mary Ukrainian Catholic Church. Its cross-shaped design and painted interior offer a serene space for worship and contemplation. Following Range Road 190, we discover the Russo-Greek Orthodox Church of St. Michael Archangel. Dating back over a century, it stands as a testament to the enduring faith of its founders and the strength of the Orthodox tradition. Just a short drive on Range Road 190 leads us to St. John the Baptist Ukrainian Orthodox Church. Originally serving as a community hall, it has been a place of worship and gathering for generations. Turning onto Secondary Highway 831, we find Our Lady of Good Counsel Roman Catholic Church, a beacon of faith in the community. Nearby, the grotto of Our Lady of Lourdes remains a site of pilgrimage and prayer, offering solace to visitors seeking spiritual renewal. Continuing our journey southward, we arrive at the Assumption of the Blessed Virgin Mary Catholic Church. Despite facing challenges over the years, it stands tall as a symbol of faith and perseverance. Our final destination is the Holy Transfiguration Orthodox Church, a historic landmark nestled in the heart of Lamont County. With its rich history and ornate interior, it serves as a testament to the enduring spirit of faith in the community. As our journey through Lamont County's historic churches comes to an end, we invite you to explore these architectural wonders for yourself. Whether you're drawn to their rich history or simply seeking a moment of tranquility, these churches offer something special for everyone. I will leave a link in the description for the complete church tour, including the 34 churches we didn't visit this time. All that remains now is for me to remind you to subscribe if you haven't already. Like the video if you did. Feel free to share it with friends or family members who you think may enjoy it. And remember, you can follow Gradient Imaging on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. But until next week, bye-bye.